Number 5.
The Gun Box 2.0 is the ultimate in quickly accessible handgun storage, safely concealing your firearm in plain sight, yet readily available in case you need it. The 2.0's cutting-edge technology and innovative safety features provide the peace of mind and confidence to store your handgun on a nightstand, desk, countertop, or anywhere you might need fast access. Choose from 6 appealing colors that are sure to match any taste of decor. Made of 4mm die-cast aluminum and weighing just over 4.5 pounds, 2.0 is roomy enough to easily hold most duty-sized handguns. With the simple touch of a finger, wave of a key card or fob, or tap of a finger via the smartphone app, its automatic lid opens smoothly in seconds. As an added security feature, 2.0 is equipped with an audible motion and tamper alarm that emits a loud noise if your box is bumped or moved. 2.0 comes pre-drilled and ready to mount anywhere in any orientation, or you can secure it wherever you need it with the tether cable. Our new smartphone app makes setting up fingerprint recognition and additional access keys a breeze, and also allows you to adjust fingerprint sensitivity, volume and tone of the audible alarm, timeout duration on the interior light, and other settings quick and easy. 2.0 also features 2 USB ports, great for charging your phone or other electronic devices. 2.0's cutting-edge design and sleek lines not only make it a great addition to any space, but it is the perfect reason to bring your handgun out of the basement safe and into a secure and accessible new home. Learn more at thegunbox.com.
Number 4.
Hi, we are Vertical Green, a group of architects, designers, engineers, and scientists that have been working on vertical gardens for more than a decade. Nowadays, the words organic, local, and sustainable have become very popular when we talk about food. But we want people to stop talking and start doing things for the planet. And that is why we are very excited to introduce Plug and Plant. Plug and Plant is a smart vertical garden that allows anyone to grow plants anywhere. Let me show you how easy it is to become a plug and planter. Locate the plug and plant in a sunny wall. Plant your plugs. Enjoy the beautiful process of watching them grow. Then cultivate fresh and nutritious vegetables. Thanks to Plug and Plant's modular design, you will be able to connect as many panels as you like so you can transform any space into an incredible natural ecosystem with a wide variety of species you can use for culinary purposes, decoration, or even to grow your own medicinal plants. Now, most of us have no idea how to take care of plants, and that is why Plug and Plant has a smart sensor that measures the environmental conditions and sends them to the Plug and Plant app on your smartphone, which tells you how to keep your plants happy. You can also get tips and recipes from experts, share your experiences, and exchange your production locally with other plug and planters. It doesn't matter if you put your plug and plant in the kitchen, the living room, the office, the classroom, or any place you like. You will still get all the benefits from plants, such as better air quality, stress reduction, climate regulation, and food production. In the meantime, the Plug and Plant Smart Water Tank will take care of watering your plants when needed for up to 30 days. Join our vision to transform the way we live in cities. Get your Plug and Plant now.
Number 3.
Drone and Base is the world's first indoor drone designed for gaming. It comes with a variety of single-player augmented reality games packed with laser shots and explosions. Overtake your opponents in thrilling multiplayer races and take them down in air battles with the drone controlled by a smart device. Your experience with Drone and Base starts with the Academy. Become a trained drone pilot, passing quick and easy missions in simulation and reality. Play against your drone and virtual opponents in augmented reality. You can unlock more weapons and get upgrades by passing levels. Once you complete the single-player games, Challenge your friends in multiplayer race. Set up your racing track with bases. Add power-ups to move drone racing to the new level. Using Nitro in the right moment can help you win.
Nitro ready. Race completed.
Shoot down the opponent in the battle mode. Using powerful weapons like machine gun or chaos rocket can distract the players by rotating or shaking their drones. Dozens of games with tricks and acrobatics makes Drone and Base a true gaming platform, which brings a new dimension of fun.
Number 2.
This is the Pebble Time smartwatch. It's an incredible tool that makes everyday life a whole lot easier. And this is the Pagari Smart Strap. It's the simplest, fastest way to pay with any Pebble Time device. Pagari was designed from the ground up to combine effortless contactless payments in an elegant form factor that's nearly indistinguishable from standard Pebble straps. It enables hassle-free payments at millions of retail locations worldwide and makes paying for things a whole lot easier. When you see this, just do this, and you're done. No credit card, no swiping, no signing, and you never have to pull out your phone. Pagari is a completely phone-free solution that lets you move freely throughout your day, however you live. To make things even more convenient, we've added a USB charging connector to the end of the strap. You can ditch that old charging cable and plug Pagari directly into any charging port. Pagari will be available in all the same materials and colors as the normal Pebble strap. You won't have to sacrifice your style to receive the benefits of Pagari.
My name is Eric Mijakowski. I'm the founder of Pebble. You might recognize me from another Kickstarter video, but we're really excited to be here today talking about Pagari. This game-changing smart strap has the opportunity to bring a whole new world of possibilities to the Pebble Time series. Pebble has put its full support behind Pagari and FitPay.
At FitPay, security is our top priority. As a former chief architect at Visa, data security and privacy are part of my DNA. That's why we've embedded our smart strap with a secure element to protect your data and an innovative technology that guarantees that only the owner can pay. When you put on your Pagari, our app will automatically launch, prompting you for your personal 4-digit PIN. Once entered, payments are enabled, and the second you take off your watch, the payment capabilities are disabled, making all transactions impossible until you re-authenticate. If your watch is lost or stolen, your personal information is safe. Just like Apple, Samsung, and Android Pay, we've partnered with the major card networks, bringing you bank-grade security that's safer than cash and safer than your credit cards.
And contactless payments are just the beginning. Our platform can handle almost any transaction you can imagine, like transit, ticketing, and secure access. And the technology is already built into Pagari, so you won't have to upgrade to take advantage of these services when they become available. Our design and prototyping are all complete, and now we need your help to ramp up manufacturing. So on behalf of the entire team at FitPay and our good friends at Pebble, we want to thank you for your support of Pagari.
Number 1.